Hey you lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Firstly, let me apologize. I'm really sorry for being so inconsistent. I haven't filmed my videos in a while. So today is the day. I am like completely free, so I thought like okay, why not get back to the process. So here I am. I actually had some very important work and I had some commitments which I had to like be there on time. Also, I did not sleep since 2 days, so I was actually sleep deprived. So I like had a very nice sleep and now I feel a little fresh. So I thought okay, let's start filming it. So today's video is basic and it's very simple. It's just about the makeup. So today's video is like basic simple video. It's about makeup, but it's a different makeup. I can't say it's a different makeup, but it's like a rosy glowy makeup. And also I'm going to show you like two dressing styles. So yeah, so now without wasting further ado, let's get straight into the video. So I have done my skincare routine, so I'm directly going in with the primer. So for today I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Primer. So I'm going to take that and just apply it on the areas where I feel oily. So I'm just taking like a little amount. I'm going to apply that because the basic thing of this look is that it is super glowy. So I won't be applying it on my complete face, but just on the face areas where I usually get oily. So I'm just going to apply that. So the reason for like not filming videos, not posting videos, was because I had some very important work commitments and I couldn't actually give that much time to filming because the work that I went for was like in a continuity, and actually I did not even sleep for like 2 days. I hardly got like an hour or two sleep. So again, that was like I couldn't film videos. So I thought, okay, once I go back home, I can film. So today is the day that I'm filming. And the work that in the project that I was working on will be like up soon. Like I'll be telling you guys about that. So yeah, obviously like stay tuned. So for concealer today I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD and the Wet n Wild concealer. So I'm going to use both. So now I'm going to take my L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Foundation. So I'm just going to take one pump and blend it all over my face just to give my skin like a similar tone. So just this much, and I'm going to first apply that with my finger on the areas where I have actually applied my concealer. and on my neck too. So I'm taking this damp beauty blender. So I am done applying my foundation. So I am not going to apply any sort of setting powder, because the main basic thing of this look is that it is super glowy. So I'm not going to make it matte by applying any powder. So now I'm going to go in with my eyebrows. So for that I'm going to use my Miss Claire dark brown eyebrow pencil. So I'm going to take my Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this shade as the transition shade for my crease, and then I'm going to apply this shade right here on my complete eyelid. So now I'm going to apply this, the most lighter shade in this palette, but it's a shimmer shade. So I'm going to apply that on the inner corner of my eye. And on my brow bone. So now I'm taking my Faces Ultimate Pro Face Kit, and I'm going to apply the contour blush and the highlighter. So I'm not going to do any liner, I'm just going to apply false lashes and lots of mascara, and I'll be right back. So I'm done applying my mascara, and now it's time for lips. So again I'm going to keep it subtle but pink. So I'm going to use my Sephora lipstick. No, first I'm going to line my lips with my Miss Claire lip liner. in the shade Kiss Rose. Then I'm going in with my Sephora lipstick in the shade N02. And on top of that, I'm going to apply my gloss. So guys, this is the final result. It is very glowy, it's very shiny, it's pink, it's rosy, and it is the best makeup you can ever do for, like, if you're going out on a date, or maybe for lunch, dinner, brunch in the morning, or if you're just like an office going girl or college going girl. This makeup, it literally goes on any dress that you wear, and it is for like any occasion or every occasion. So, and it is like you can do this makeup in like 5 to 10 minutes. It's that easy and that quick. So if like lashes is like completely optional, if you want you can put lashes, but like if you don't want to, if you have like a natural lashes, you can just apply like 2-3 layers of mascara, and you're good to go. And also I'm wearing a very loose oversized shirt, which is my comfort thing. I love wearing oversized clothes. So if you are wearing an oversized shirt or a t-shirt, then what style you should do is what I'm going to show now. So yeah, so what you can do is, if you're wearing like an oversized shirt like I am wearing it, always you can make it a short dress, but do not forget to wear your shorts inside, as I'm wearing denim shorts. So I have this belt. I'm just going to tie it around this. So this is basically style number 1, which you can absolutely do. So also it looks very chic if you're like a college going girl. Obviously you can do this, or if you're just going out, if you're hanging out with your friends, if you're going out for brunch, this is something which you can do, and it looks very fabulous. Also you can wear your white sneakers will look best, but I'm not wearing anything right now. Or you can wear your ankle boots, anything you want to wear, even flats will go absolutely correct on this. So this is style number 1. The second style is that if you're wearing an oversized shirt, what you can do is just unbutton the shirt from down, and you can take one end and put it inside. Just do a short end like this. So this is what you can do if you want to. This also looks very classy, it looks very chic, it is something different, so you can do this. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you get updated every time I post a new video. And please don't forget to add me on my Instagram and my Snapchat, and I'll see you guys in my next video.